What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Car's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making a chicken salad. This video is long overdue, but let's get started. I like to use the canned chicken in water, and I like to give it a nice rinse before I dump it in the into my bowl. You can also use your own cooked chicken if you want to. It's up to you, but I'm just gonna chop that up into small pieces. Once I get the chicken nicely shredded up, I'm gonna add some mayo. I went in with about maybe 3 to 4 tablespoons. I just kind of eyeball it. Once you have your mayo in there, I like to go in with the holy trinity. Now, you don't have to put onions, peppers, and stuff in yours, but I absolutely love the crunch in mine. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and start seasoning our chicken. You can use whatever seasonings you like, just taste as you go. And I like to go in with some sweet relish. I know a lot of people don't like sweet relish in their chicken salad, but I like it in mine, so I'm just going to put a little bit in there. Also going in with some black pepper. And like I said before, taste as you go. I like to eat mine with crackers, so I'm putting a little bit on a cracker and tasting it. And I went back in with some more relish and some seasonings and just added it to my liking. I also forgot to put a boiled egg in here. I was also doing this at 3 o'clock in the morning, but don't forget to boil some eggs and put it in your chicken salad. But this is how it came out. I topped it with some smoked paprika, and I like to eat mine with crackers. And yeah, that is it. Easy and simple chicken salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share the video with a friend, and I will see you in the next video.